Fall is just around the corner, and if you're like me, you're already itching to transform your home into a cozy autumn retreat. While the official start of fall is September 22nd this year, meaning we still have nearly 3 weeks to wait, I'm a strong believer that once Labor Day passes, it's perfectly acceptable to dive headfirst into all things fall. After enduring a blazing hot and exhausting summer, I'm more than ready to swap my tank tops for a cozy sweatshirt and sip on a pumpkin spice latte, PSL. But here's where it gets interesting. Have you ever noticed how the season naturally inspires us to refresh our surroundings and embrace warmth and comfort? It's like fall has a magical power to awaken our creativity and desire for cozy vibes. And this is the part most people miss. Decorating for fall isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that feels like a warm hug after a long day. So if you're pumped to welcome the crisp air and rich colors of autumn into your space, I've rounded up 5 easy and fun DIY fall decor projects that anyone can tackle. These projects offer a wonderful blend of texture, seasonal charm, and cozy warmth for your home. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in. 1. Make a pumpkin-themed doormat using a stencil. Thanks to @stencilmepretty on TikTok, you can create a festive pumpkin doormat with surprising ease. All you need is a plain doormat, some acrylic paint, a pumpkin stencil, and a matte finishing spray. Simply position the stencil on a mat and paint your pumpkin shapes carefully. Once the paint dries completely, seal your design with the matte spray to ensure it lasts and doesn't smudge. This project is fantastic because you don't have to be a painting pro to get a neat, professional-looking result. Plus, it's a great first impression for guests visiting your home this fall. 2. Add artistic flair to a faux pumpkin with patterned napkins. Not ready for real pumpkins yet? No ways. @IconToLikeIt2 on TikTok shared a creative hack to personalize those store-bought fake pumpkins. Using printed napkins with beautiful patterns, you can decoupage your pumpkin for a charming, one-of-a-kind look. The key step here is to peel off the napkin's paper backing before applying. It helps the design stick better and keeps the surface smooth. Cut out floral or patterned sections from the napkin, brush Mod Podge onto the pumpkin surface, place your cutouts, then paint over them with more Mod Podge. Work in small areas to prevent premature drying. After letting it dry overnight, apply a couple of acrylic sealer coats for durability. This craft only requires a few napkins and is perfect for adding a pop of personality to your front door or mantel. Create a stunning fall floral arrangement inside a real pumpkin. For a classic yet elegant centerpiece, check out Steph, @SimpleLifeWithSteph on TikTok. She combines fresh seasonal flowers with a hollowed-out pumpkin for a unique touch. Pick some vibrant blooms from your local store. Trader Joe's is a great option. And grab a medium-sized pumpkin from your grocery store. Cut the top off the pumpkin, scoop out the insides, and insert a wetted block of floral foam to hold your flowers in place. Then arrange your flowers however you like. This centerpiece brings natural beauty and fall spirit right to your table and can last a few days, making it perfect for autumn dinner parties or everyday cozy vibes. 4. Refresh clear glass candle holders with colorful washable paint. Got some clear glass candle holders or bowls lying around? Erin, @NiftyNest on TikTok, an interior designer, offers an innovative way to give them a seasonal makeover using a paint mixture made from Elmer's washable clear glue and food coloring. The best part? This DIY paint is totally removable. You can soak the glassware in water whenever you want to switch up your decor or update it for the holidays. This flexibility means you can customize your pieces for every season or celebration without permanently altering your favorite glass items. 5. Tie together a simple yet elegant fall garland. If garlands intimidate you, Jenna Smith, @DIYWithJenna, has a foolproof method to create a fall-inspired garland that's both quick and charming. You'll need 3 different ribbons that evoke fall vibes. Think warm oranges, earthy browns, or deep reds, and a roll of rustic jute rope. Cut your ribbons into roughly 8-inch strips and tie them around the rope, alternating colors as you go to create a balanced look. Pull each knot tight and trim the ribbon ends evenly for a polished finish. This garland looks fantastic draped on a mantel. framing an entryway, or winding along a staircase banister. Bonus tip: add some string lights for cozy ambient lighting. So what do you think? Are you ready to roll up your sleeves and embrace the creative spirit of fall? These projects are approachable for all skill levels, inexpensive, and offer a great way to infuse your home with seasonal warmth and personality. Plus, they're perfect opportunities to spend some quality time crafting, whether solo or with friends and family. Now, here's a question to spark a little friendly debate. Do you think starting fall decorating before the official start of the season dilutes its specialness? Or does it simply extend the joy? Some purists insist on timing decorations perfectly, while others believe the more time spent enjoying fall vibes, the better. What's your take? Feel free to share your opinions and any unique decor traditions you follow in the comments below. Let's get the conversation rolling and inspire one another as we prepare our homes for the most inviting time of the year.